Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to run you through the pivot table show value as options. Now, in the previous videos, we have seen the summarize value options, and the show value option is more about the percentages. It's not about the numbers, it's about the percentage. Now, again, we are using the same data as per my previous videos where we have, this is a nested pivot table where we have the region, which is central, east, and west. We have got the representatives. We have got the items, which we have said like binder, desk, pen set, pencils. These are the actual sales amount which we are looking. So right now, in very simple, we are looking at the total amount of the sale each individual have done, and this is the grand total as per the columns, as per the rows, what's the total sale individuals have done. Now, what is show value as? Now, again, to get those options, all we have to do is right click, come to show value as, and we see all these options. Now, if you see everything at the bottom, almost each and every number is about percentage. Now, let's do the first one, the grand total. Now, again, before we click that, if we see this value, the grand total is this particular value, which is G19, where we say 19,609.82, which is the actual grand total of the complete sale done by across regions, across all the representative. Now, if we do right click, come to show value as, select percentage of grand total. Now, once we do this percentage of grand total, we'll see there's only one value, which is 100%, which is the grand total. Now, all the other values are the percentages as per the reference of this 100%. Now, in another concept, if we understand the percentage of percentile, where we say if a guy has, the topper guy has scored maybe 90 per of 100. Now his 90 is taken as 100, and then all the other students percentile is being calculated based on the 90%. Now this concept is very similar. The grand total is 100, rest each and everything is been taken as per the percentage of this 100%. Now again, this being a nested pivot table, we see a nested view where we see the central has done 56.71 shares of the sales of 100%. Individual representative within those are this, but again, if we select only the individuals, you'll, the total will come on to 100%. If you see at the bottom, it's 100%. Again, if we select only the regions, which is the another level of the pivot table in the nested, the sum would again be 100. So in other words, what we are saying is whichever the hierarchy of the pivot table is, if we do percentage by grand total, it would mean the grand total is 100%, all the other percentage it would be linked with that. Now with the same concept, if we come click on percentage of column total. Now the moment we click, we'll see the column total is been taken as a percentage, and all the percentage are calculated within the column. It's not the, now the reference or the base item is being changed from the grand total to the total of a specific column. Now again, if we see all the columns are 100%. Now if we select the any of the regions, everything will come on to 100%. If you see the desk, I've just selected the regional ones, the calculation is 100%. Now let's say we take the pencil and we select this time only the representative sale, again it's 100%. So again, the base item in this calculation is being taken as the column total. Now again, in a very similar way, if we come in the show value as option and we come here, select the percentage of row total. Now again, the row total would be taken as 100%, and in that row the share would be shown. Now let's say in the central or in anything, if we take the row total as 100%, then we see the binder, the percentage of the sale of the binder is the highest, whereas the desk is the lowest. Now, this hierarchy has changed because the base item on which you are calculating the percentage of change. Now, this is a simple concept. All you have to remember the base item in the base field, where when we do percentage by grand total, I'll just do right click again, percentage as grand total. Grand total is been taken as the base item or the base field for calculating the percentage. When we do the same thing for column total, the base item or the base field is being the column total, the individual column total. And when we do this percentage of the row total, the base item or the base field we are using is the row total. Now, we have many other option in this show value as, where we have percentage of parent row total, which I'll cover in a separate videos or in my upcoming videos. I hope you understand this concept, guys. Thanks for watching the video.